$4,340 is how much I made today day trading. It is the first day of July, so happy July everybody. Let's take a look at what I did. Let's go. Okay folks, before I go in a chart, let's take a look at all what I did today. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades today, so definitely over trading. But let's take a look at all my contract. Let me move my phone here. Okay, all right, so you can tell here 4,340 is the total for the day. If I do this, right? Okay. Third trade I made, I think that was 840. No, yeah, first trade I was more than that actually. I was over 1,000, but I took another one of that same put, same strike, and then I went below 1,000. So anyway, 840, 900, $40, $10, lost 990 at some point, 110, and 3,430 for my last trade of the day. Total of the day, 4,340. All right, let's take a look at the charts now. Let's go. First trade of the day. This is SPX on a 15 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful downtrend here. Actually, I have only one contract. One contract brought me back $900 here. That was absolutely beautiful. And then I had, when I started to enter that contract, I had another contract, a lot of them. I have 4 of them on a second strike, and I took the exact same trade basically, which brought me over 1,000, but then I lost some. So long story short, it was $840. So 840 plus 900 here. Then second trade, that was where I lost some money here. That trade from the same put that I was talking about, I lost about $300 here. Long story short, we head to the low of the day. I really thought we will break it. If we break it, I was about to enter, and as you can tell, there was a low, so that kind of is actually lower than all of these. And I entered, and he reversed in my face, losing $300 right away. Only had one contract, so I was like, okay. Third trade, I started the long actually, because thank God I cut right at the low here because we went back up. As you can tell here, I broke up the 90 EMA, drew a trend line over here, and I was like, wait, we're breaking a trend line and we're breaking the 90 EMA. I'm entering. I only entered one contract, and I made like $40. He was not strong at all and was not, going like a rocket. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna stay in this. Other trade over here. I don't know if you can see this. There you go, over here. So I got caught in a sideways BS here, and that's where I lost a lot of money. I lost about $990 on this one. Once again, textbook, well, not textbook at all actually. We were sideways at this point, right? After going up here, we went sideways, and that big cannot happen here. Breaking out the 9, I was like, ooh, I like it. I'm gonna wait until it retest the 9 and eventually go lower. Waited, retraced, test the 9, I entered, and then boom, went higher. And that was just a bad trade, period. $990 lost here, cut over here, and obviously retraced a bit lower. I could have saved some money, but it is what it is. Bad trade, I decided to cut it. Another sideways BS that I call all the time is I tried again right after because I don't know if you can see well here or not. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see those arrow here, but I basically entered here, went lower. I was short once again. And then went back higher and then rejected. So I just cut it and I made like, I think $10 on that trade. That's it. That was just completely useless. But I was convinced of my pattern, which this was basically, those were on 5 minutes and this is the 15 minutes. So when I went back to my favorite time frame, which is the 15 minute, I saw this. I was like, all right, let me just adjust my trend line here. And because I got trapped each time it was going lower, what I decided to do is load on the way higher. So when you touch the upper trend line, I basically had my contract loaded already. And if it reversed, then I will be in good hand. If it goes higher, then I hit my loss, and it is what it is. So basically trading the trap and not being trapped, right? That's a big concept here. Not being taken as liquidity, but act like as a market maker almost, right? And not being trapped, if that makes sense. Anyway, so it went beautifully, reversed, and that trade made me $3,430. So once again, total for the day, $4,340. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.